Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet HHR SS. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.